Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to import Evernote notes into OneNote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Evernote, or if you prefer, you can use the Evernote app directly on your device. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll see your main dashboard with all your notes and notebooks organized and ready to work with. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Notes. This will display all your individual notes in the left panel, making it easy to browse through and select exactly what you want to export. Go ahead and select the notes you want to import into OneNote by clicking on them. You can select multiple notes at once if needed, which saves time if you're moving several items over. Once you've selected your notes, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the three dotted lines icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Export as PDF. This feature is essential because it converts your Evernote notes into a universally compatible PDF format that OneNote can easily read and import. After clicking Export, a dialog box will appear with several export settings. In the right panel, you'll see an option to select whether you want all pages or custom pages. Choose the option that best fits your needs based on how much content you want to export. Below that, you'll see options to select either portrait or landscape orientation for your PDF. Pick the orientation that works best for the layout of your notes. Once you've configured these settings, look to the bottom right corner and click Export. This will prompt you to choose where you want to save your PDF file. Select the location folder where you want to store this file, then click Save. The export process will take just a moment, depending on the size of your notes. Now that your notes are exported as a PDF, open the OneNote app directly on your PC and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you can either create a new notebook specifically for these imported notes, or select an existing notebook where you'd like them to appear. This flexibility lets you organize your content exactly how you want it. After selecting your notebook, navigate to the upper left corner and click Insert. From the Insert menu, click File Printout. This option allows you to insert PDF files directly into your OneNote pages, preserving the formatting and content from your Evernote export. A file browser window will open. Browse through your folders to locate the PDF file you just saved from Evernote. Select that file, then click Insert. OneNote will now process and import your Evernote notes directly into your notebook, making them fully accessible and searchable within OneNote. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Evernote notes into OneNote using a simple PDF export and import process. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.